It's something that we see, I guess, regularly, that people are unaware exactly what is deemed to be a repair and what is deemed to be capital. Now, I think from a repair perspective, the definition that is probably most valid is if it's a cost that is restoring the asset to its original condition, so a like-for-like replacement, shall we say, then it will be deemed to be a repair and would be fully tax deductible, as you suggested. So I'm in against their income in the year. So be that painting, decorating, fixing a broken boiler, patching up damp, replacing a broken roof tile, something along those lines, I would absolutely say is repair. The other piece of work that you were referring to is capital. And that is where you are improving, enhancing, adding value to the property or the asset that you are carrying out the work on. That would not be deductible against rental income in the year in which it's incurred. What happens to that is, for an individual, it gets added to the base cost of your property. So for capital gains tax purposes, the cost of your property is increased by the value of the works that you're carrying out. And as you say, that an extension would fall under capital works, a converting a loft into bedrooms, something along those lines where you are structurally changing, I guess, the property. I think also fitting a new kitchen with better appliances probably would fall under capital as well. We had a conversation, I guess, before about windows, and I touched on putting double glazing windows in instead of single glazing windows, and whether that would be a repair or capital. I think it's a bit arbitrary, and you could probably argue it would be deemed to be a repair, because I don't think anyone's really putting single glazing windows in at the moment. But some of the areas are, I guess, ambiguous, or some of the costs are ambiguous, and therefore it's best to check with tax advisors and accountants just to ensure that what you are doing and the work you're carrying out, what tax treatment you will get for that.